Hey everyone! Today, I'm going to show you how to set up and use webhooks with MagicForm to automate your workflows even more. Let's jump right in. First, head to the Customize tab inside MagicForm. Next, click on Automations. Here, you're going to toggle on the switch labeled Trigger Webhook. You'll see a spot where you can enter a webhook URL. That's where all the magic starts. Now, before you move on, it's important to make sure that the data structure matches what your receiving app expects. The good news is we've provided multiple templates for different apps to make sure this is super easy for you. The variables you see here are pulled directly from the conversation your user has had with your MagicForm agent. Here's a quick example of what an action triggered by a webhook looks like once it's fully set up. It's fast, it's smooth, and it saves you tons of manual work. Now, if you're using Microsoft Teams, here's how to make sure the webhook is received properly. Go to the channel that you want the notifications to post to. Click Manage Channel, then Edit. Search for Incoming Webhook and make sure to click the Add button when it pops up. Once it is added, Teams will generate a webhook URL for you. Copy that URL and paste it back into the webhook URL field in your MagicForm agent settings. After this has happened, you're all good to go. Thank you very much. Your business, automated smarter.